Hey pupils! Today, we're going to explore the vibrant and healthy world of vegetables. Did you know that vegetables are packed with nutrients that help us grow strong and stay healthy? From crunchy carrots and tasty potatoes to fresh tomatoes and leafy spinach, there's so much to discover about these wonderful greens. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of vegetables and learn about your favorites? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can discover something fresh and fun every time we upload. Let's get started.
Walk through a verb. Action meets learning. Globally connected with verb.
Carrot. Carrot. Potato. Potato. Tomato. Tomato. Onion. Onion. Cucumber. Cucumber. Peas. Peas. Broccoli. Broccoli. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Spinach. Spinach. Lettuce. Lettuce. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Corn. Corn. Cabbage. Cabbage. Radish. Radish. Garlic. Garlic. Ginger. Ginger. Mushroom. Mushroom. Eggplant. Eggplant. Zucchini. Zucchini. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Chili. Chili. Celery. Celery. Beetroot. Beetroot. Okra. Okra. Turnip. Turnip. Leek. Leek.